Namaskar Mitro. In this video, I am going to unbox and review the Mirana Toys Explorer RC car, which is proudly made in India. I will be giving away this car, so be sure to watch this video until the end. Now, let's begin with the unboxing. Okay, so unboxing has been done. Now let's talk about some features of this car. This 4WD RC car features a 2000 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery providing up to 1 hour of playtime. It includes servo steering, responsive speed control, RGB headlights and backlights. Additionally, its sturdy suspension makes it ideal for off-roading. You can even connect accessories to the ports located on both sides of this car. On the bottom side, here we have some indicator LEDs, an on-off button and a Type-C charging port. This car is controlled through the Mirana app, which can be downloaded from the Play Store. Additionally, the app allows you to play AR games using the car. Alright everyone, our car is fully prepared. Let's head outside for a test drive. Now guys, let's talk about the giveaway. I got 2 pieces of this product and I will do the giveaway of one of them to one random subscriber. To participate in the giveaway, like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and comment down below and tell me what you like about this car. The winner will be announced on Instagram, so make sure to follow us. One comment will be randomly selected after 1 month. If you are interested in purchasing this car, use coupon code VISHAL35 for a 35% discount. The purchase link is provided in the description. That is it for today guys. I'll see you in the next one.